Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Tawfiq from Theme and Code, and we are getting a lot of requests that the flipbook is not working in Divi theme. So I will demonstrate how to make these things work. This problem is only happening with the Divi theme. That is why I will be using Divi theme in this video to demonstrate how to solve this issue. As you can see here, I am using the Divi theme. And also the flipbook is not working. You can see here the flipbook is not working. To solve that, just hover to Divi and then click theme options. Go to performance and disable the defer jQuery and jQuery migrate. Click save changes and you are done. This is the simplest explanation. And you can see here, when you reload the PDF, the flipbook is working. You can see here, the book flip is looking amazing. So if you are using Divi theme and your flipbook is not working, just disable the defer jQuery and jQuery migrate. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, subscribe to Theme and Code.